Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. Now to get started, all you really need to do is pull down your notification panel, select the power button right over here, and then hold power off. This will then change, let's try it again. This will then change into this button, safe mode. As you can see below, we have a message at top. Again, to restart your tablet in safe mode, downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your tablet. Tap on it again to actually initiate that, and while it's doing it, I'm gonna quickly go into this. So in this mode you can basically safely boot into the device, and if you had some kind of problems with some app causing you, I don't know, something, as an example, I don't know, it was making your device run super sluggishly and it didn't want to remove, you can boot your device into safe mode, and that app can no longer do literally anything because it cannot start, it cannot run in a background in any sort of way. It is basically as though it's not on the device. So from there you can simply uninstall it. Obviously you can boot it for all kinds of purposes, but in most of the cases those purposes would be if the device is malfunctioning on a software level rather than hardware. And let's give it a second. Once it boots up, you should be able to see a safe mode message right over here, just so you are always aware what mode you're in. And additionally, there will be apps that will be just monochrome to signify that they cannot run in this mode. So let's unlock it. And widgets don't work. We have right here YouTube Music. It does not work, as you can see. It is grayed out, and if you try to open it up, it gives you this message: download the app, disable in safe mode. So this isn't the only app that won't run. You can see a couple right here. So we have photos apparently. I'm not sure why that is a part that won't run. We have Drive, we have Google Play, Movies and TV. And in Samsung folder we have Tips. So these are, I think, primarily everything, all the apps that come with the device that you won't be able to use. And obviously anything that you have installed yourself after the setup will most certainly not be able to run at all. And once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal mode so you can use your apps, all you would do is just go back right here, tap on the power button and select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will go back to the normal mode. Now that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.